What's going on, Ivan? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, and see if we can't help. So right now, Finish Scope Painting, I love the logo over here. It's very hard to distinguish where your header is, but let's just assume everything from here is your header. Chat now is good. This is a click to call, excellent. Your hours, and your location, definitely put that all the way in the bottom of the website. Chat now, I would probably, that's fine, but you already also have it over here. So I don't know why you would have it twice. And then phone number, put down next to the contact us so you can make the header smaller and, give yourself more room up there. But anyway, services is not a drop down menu. So I'm going to take off points for you. Um, Wait a second. I got. Oh, no, no, Ivan. It scrolls through. It doesn't. Oh, okay. I mean, I like the layout, like Premier Painting Company serving the Phoenix AZ area, talking a little bit about who you are. We provide services. The scroll through is fine. Exterior cabinets, drywall. You would definitely want in kind of similar fashion to this and this picture of exterior cabinets, what it is you're offering, drywall, what it is you do, painting, and then just so on and so forth through. So you get content in there as well as a good break through the website, and everything looks great. Now, I mean, it seems like the side over here is a little small. This is great. Probably have it in a 3 by 6 instead, or it's 3 inches by 6 inches instead of it across the entire bottom of the page here. Send a message. Overall, I'm not going to say a lot. It was Angie and powered by who? Go site. Okay, whatever. Um, Overall, solid idea, but not a lot of content. Google really wants content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. But not only that, everything just scrolls through from one thing to another. That is something that's a big no-no in the industry simply because it doesn't break your pages up correctly. So, um, let's just say it doesn't help you out in the long run. It just, it's one long page and it doesn't work as well. Um, and this is kind of the proof in the pudding. Google, this is kind of what they're looking at for you. I'm using a tool called Ahrefs, which is looking at the back end of everything you have, and you don't have anything here to rank. So, a UR rating is how strong your website is. A DR rating is how much Google trusts you. All of it is incumbent on backlinks. So, the more backlinks you have, the better. Although not all are created equal. Some are more spammy than others, like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia. So, you definitely do not want those. And then a backlink is honestly where you have your referring domain somewhere else, and a referring and somebody can click on it, and then a referring domain is when it comes back to you when they click on that backlink. Now you do have one organic keyword. Now a keyword is what somebody might put in Google to search for you. So let's find out what it is you're ranking for. So you got one, which is AZ top coat. So again, it's an international Arizona top coat. It's a state keyword, which means it's going to be a lot harder to search for and actually get somebody coming to you. So let's take a look at what a buyer intent keyword is, right? It's a keyword that takes two things into account: what it is I'm looking for and where I'm looking for it. So now that I'm getting very specific, um, it means that I'm actually searching to buy. So we got an ad for Certa Pro in the GMB. This is your Google My Business profile. Very important to get in here because 30 to 40% of everyone searching for anything will get in one of these three people. Then we have our organic search. If you know what you're doing, anyone can rank here. You got Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie is number 3, and then number 4 is your first big competitor. So let's see what these guys are doing. So they have multiple locations, or different phone numbers, I guess. They have your email, schedule, about us, why choose us, paint, commercial. These aren't drop down menus, so I'm disappointed in them. Trusted by homeowners. This follows me a lot. I don't like that. Unwrap our holiday savings. Tech 15% off. I don't agree with this, but it gets people to click on it, I guess. But these are cool. Problem is, they're not talking about what they have except for here. And these are links to other pages, which is great. Unfortunately, he's not talking about anything they're doing. That's a problem. You want to talk about what you offer. The whole idea is, by the way, somebody comes to the website, they scroll over what they're looking for. So if it's interior painting, exterior cabinet painting, they scroll over it. It's a drop down menu. They click on the thing they want. They read about what they're looking for, and then they click on the number in the top right corner so they can call you right away. So I don't have a lot of, it's a okay website, nothing great, and it's doing fine. It's the back end work that is really getting them ahead. By the way, the UR rating here is 41, DR rating is 32. You want yours in a ratio of 1 to 1 in the 30s and 40s. So I mean, that being off by it's still great. They do have 5,240 different backlinks, which is a lot of backlinks, and they have 743 referring domains. Now, again, you don't need that many. I think is overkill. All you need is quality ones, but they are definitely doing really well with that. Now they do have 12,200 organic keywords. Now they also probably have a blog, which is why they're getting 9,500 people to their website every single month. So let's take a look at what their actual backlinks are. Not backlinks, what their keywords are. So remember, we want to keep an eye on the type of keywords they're using. So Arizona Painting Company is their name, but somebody in Arizona might actually type this in. There are 2.3 thousand people looking for it. They're getting 1,600 of those every single month, and they're in position 2 for it. But if you look at the rest of this stuff, it's not good, right? Because these are in, Common Reasons Why, which is a blog. So, painting company, anyone in the United States can search for a painting company. So they might be not in Phoenix, but they might be in Colorado. Kraken Paint, same thing. These are just questions people are asking, which is not a buyer intent keyword. They're people who are just trying to find out what they can do for themselves. Arizona painting is a good keyword, right? Not great because it's taking up the entire state, but 400 a month they're searching, they're getting 73 and they're in position 1 for it. What we really want is something that's very specific. Phoenix, Arizona painters. That would be a great keyword. So these guys are messing out on a lot of different stuff like that. That's I'm not really gonna fight them on that. So there are 9,500 people that come in every week or every month. Probably not getting that many clients. They're probably maybe getting 100 true people to their website that are buyer intent. But anyway, how does this really help you guys out? Honestly, all you really got to do is you need to get good backlinks in here. Anything at all, right? Find out what Arizona Painting Company is using. Take the good ones out of that 753 referring domains and use them for yourself. Make sure we have content on your homepage. Split your homepage up into a website where you have pages going from one thing to another. Next is your organic keywords. We definitely got to get those. Find out the really good ones. Phoenix, Arizona painters, Arizona painters, Phoenix. Stuff like that. Different variations that people search. Find out the search volume. Get them in here. So those 3 things: keywords, backlinks, and content. You get all that, you will start ranking for the top in no time. Anyway, that's all I got, Ivan. I really hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.